Hello everyone, and welcome to our detailed tutorial on the Nafini app's notification feature. Let's get started. First, tap the notification icon at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots at the top right. Here, you can quickly mark all notifications as read or delve into your notification settings for personalization. Below, you have your notifications categorized as unread and read. If you swipe left on an unread notification, you can easily mark it as read or unread if you swipe left on a read notification. You can tap More to explore further options like viewing, marking as read, or deleting the notification. Remember, you can also tap on any notification to view its full details and take immediate action. We hope this guide enhances your Nafini app experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorials and tips to make the most out of the app. Your support helps us create content tailored to your needs. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and make sure to secure your success with a cherry on top with Nafini.
Nafini selection.